Okay, so here is how you use the KingdomBnB website. Okay, so here's a quick video of how to use the KingdomBnB website. So you go to the KingdomB webpage. Once you arrive on the website, you'll be at the home page. In order to view the accommodations, you'll click where it says Reservations. Once you click on Reservations, it'll bring you to the Reservations page. As you scroll down beyond the ads, you'll begin to see where the properties are listed. Right now it's set to all properties. The search feature is currently disabled because we are still in the process of updating and re-registering our previous host. And so the ones that are active on the site right now are the ones that are available for booking. As you view the accommodations, you click on Full Details. It'll show you additional images of each accommodation. Gives you the rate. It also gives you a description of the property, the different features that are included in the accommodations. It shows you what dates are available. It gives you the rate as a breakdown. And if you decide that you want to make the reservation, you would go ahead and complete the booking form and you would hit Submit. There's also details here on how to contact the client, whether it's their phone number or their website. You would use that in order to contact the host. If this is not the accommodations that you're interested in, you would just navigate back to the reservations page and you can simply select the next one. And the page numbers are at the bottom so that you can navigate from page to page. And this is how you use the KingdomBnB website.